And what's up, YouTube? We're gonna be reviewing these smoke bombs just like in the intro.
Where'd you get them?
We got it from the flea market. Sorry if you keep hearing that. I don't know what it is. We have a special guest, and guess who it is?
Diegito. Sí se puede. It's a Chavez guy. Say hi. Say hi, Pa.
Is it you?
We have another guest. She is beautiful Camila. Say something to YouTube.
Hi YouTube. My name is Camila. It's this red. We're doing a smoke bomb.
What else?
And
What else? Tell her what color it is. Tell them.
that's red.
It's gonna be red smoke. Cool.
And then it's going to be purple.
Yeah, also purple. Tell them what dress you're wearing.
I'm dressing Asha.
Asha from Wish.
Asha
Nice.
from Wish.
Can we see your doll in your hand?
Whoa.
And from her.
Cool.
And Marley, take it off.
Oh my goodness.
Let's get into it.
Cool. So the first one. Okay. The red one. We're gonna put it down. Because I have the baby. There was a yellow one.
Wait, what?
A yellow one.
Someone did one?
We did it. Ready?
Alright. Alright, let's stand back. Look, see that?
Ooh, that's red.
You can use this for emergencies, like when you're lost or something. But make sure you bring a mask. Bro, it stinks.
Okay, don't pause it. Whoa, that thing stinks. We're gonna try the blue one now. I wonder what the blue one's gonna be like.
Or it could be purple. I think it's gonna be purple.
I'm gonna do it right here.
Alright. Bring something so that you don't breathe this stuff in. It stinks.
Blue is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's more visible.
What if we tie a couple of them together and see what happens?
I like your creativity.
We're going to do green.
Okay. We're gonna do green, Camila, but we're gonna do all of those together. Same time.
Alright. So, we're gonna grab 2, and we're gonna grab 3. So,
Want me to help you twist them?
nah, it's fine. I got it.
Twist, let me see. Only twist those two together and then I'll give you this one because this one, the fuse is coming out.
So you basically just go like this, if you don't know.
Twist.
And then just go like this.
Keep twisting. And that should be good.
No, it's not.
Alright, let me help you.
that.
Let me see you too.
See?
You're gonna light it.
I'm gonna light it.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to use that. I'm not lighting nothing.
Okay, pues, can you hold your brother really fast? Just hold your brother. You too, he's gonna have to hold the baby. Do not drop him.
I'm not.
We have all 3 ready. Give me the baby.
That little guy.
Okay.
That little
Okay, we're gonna light them up. Get the phone ready. See what happens in 3.
grab the camera. Wait. I'm gonna show YouTube what those look like.
Alright, ready?
Let's stand back. Whoa. That looks cool.
Oh, the white one.
That's the white one.
They all lit up at a different time. Well, the white one's still going. Ooh, this shit stinks. Switchy.
Bro, you need like a gas mask.
It smells like fart. How come you're like, don't touch them because they're super hot.
Dad.
We don't have, oh yeah, we could open another pack. Come on, come over.
Bro, it smells horrible.
So, when the thing opens it from the side, why would you open it from the side?
I don't know.
Take your tape off. Give me one more pack. Show YouTube.
So this is a 6-pack?
And look, show YouTube the box. You bought a whole box. For $20.
Yeah, $20. They're a pack of 6. One of each.
Actually, one of each and then 2 white ones.
Yeah, two white ones. So there's one color that they need to make.
Which color do you want to show YouTube? Pick a YouTube color.
Let's do green and yellow together.
Okay. YouTube, there's a bunch of flies out here.
Yeah.
And they're all over people, and I don't like it.
I know.
Because it's so hot.
Here, I'll help you.
Look at how these are. These are probably different. Look at them. But these are probably going to smoke a long time.
Yeah.
Because the other ones didn't look like this. Maybe these are different, YouTube. We'll find out right now. But you have to twist the ends like
Together.
that. And then we put it together.
And do not use hot glue to make sure it stays, because it will burn. Wait, I'm trying to get where you are.
Are you ready, Valentin?
Yep. Ready. Let's do it, guys. Cover your nose like this. Oh, green and yellow went. Yellow looks way more visible.
Whoa. It just stinks, dude.
I don't know, it stinks horribly.
Smells like, you know what it smells like? It's Fuji. It smells like fart, like Valentin farted. Okay. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, Valentin. Tell them.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Tell them you guys can buy these. These are legal ones. They are not illegal. What else?
What else? They're not illegal.
And we are gonna have a lemonade stand.
Talk, Camila. Let Valentin say what he's gonna say, and then you go.
If you want to get some lemonade off of me, if you're the first customer, if you get 3 cups, you can get 2 off.
2 free?
Yeah, 2 free.
What? Okay.
If you want to come, it's 38. What is that?
You can't give your address on YouTube because
Why?
it's dangerous.
Get out, bro.
All right, say now. You say something.
Like and subscribe. We're getting some grapes.
Some grapes.
Yeah.
What else?
And we got what else? We got some orange, and we got some yellow, and we got some apple, and
Okay, say see you later. Like and subscribe.
see you later. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye.
Do it like Valentin.
No, go like this. Peace.
Bye.
Peace. All right.
Peace.